Kia ora. We're going to now have a little extension on our midpoint video, and we're going to talk a little bit about the gradient or the steepness using these same 2 points. Now, when we talk about the steepness of a line or the gradient, we're comparing. Now, the steepness or the gradient is always described with the letter M. M is the gradient. And what you're going to do is you are going to be talking about how much does the line rise or go up or down compared to how much it runs. Rise over run is the words we use to describe the gradient. Now, if you want the formula, since the rise is the up and down, that's the y-axis. You'll take y sub 2 minus y sub 1, or y2 minus y1. And the run is the right to left. You'll do x2 minus x1, okay? Now let's have a look and see what that gives us for this one. We want y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, 6 minus 10, over x2 minus x1, 6 minus 2. All right? You know, you're going to be given all these formulas, so there is no need to memorize them. M is going to be equal to 6 minus 10 is negative 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. That comes out to be negative 4 over 4 is negative 1. Now, what that means in terms of the line, as I go from one point to another, the gradient we said was negative 1. So, down 1 over 1, I'm back on the line. Down 1 over 1, I'm back on the line. So every time you go down 1 and over 1, because the rise was, you could even think of it as negative 1 over 1, or just M equals negative 1. That is the steepness of that line, negative 1. Okay, and it doesn't matter which 2 points you pick. If I were to have used my starting point and my finish point, well, from this point to this point, what is the rise? Well, it actually goes down, so tahi, rua, toru, fa. I've gone down negative 4. And the run always goes to the right. Just like we read a sentence from left to right, we look at these lines from left to right. So, ehia nga tapafa no kite kone. So how much from here to here? Tahi, rua, toru, fa. This would be my 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So fa. And even from this point to this point, negative 4 over 4, that comes out to be negative 1. Okay, so that's a little talk about finding the gradient of a line segment. And as always, any patai, send them my way. Thanks for watching. Maori mahi, maori ora, ka kite ano.